In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to shoot a TikTok video, how to add sound and effects, create duet and reaction videos, and how to post your video. Use the clickable sections below to skip to different parts of this tutorial. To create a TikTok video, press on the plus sign icon in the menu bar. Doing so will open up your camera and all of the features available to use within your video. Tap and hold the big red button to start recording video. Release when you've finished your clip. TikTok videos can go up to 3 minutes in length. You can slow down or speed up your video, add effects, and record and stitch together multiple clips. Tap Sounds here to add music to your video. TikTok has a vast library to find music. Click on the track you want to add to your video. Tap the volume tab here to adjust the volume of your music and original audio. Once you create your video, there are even more effects at your disposal. You can trim your video as you want, add transition effects for between video clips, and add stickers and text. In order to create a duet or reaction video, click on the arrow that appears on any TikTok video. If the user has enabled duets and reaction videos, you'll find the options in the menu that pops up. Duet allows users to add to already existing videos and add their own commentary and effects. When you've finished making your video, tap Next. Give your video a description here. You can add hashtags and friend mentions and also choose whether you want the post to be public, private, or visible to friends only. Tap Post to publish your video.